Today video, something different. Now, I'm my 20th year in Jamaica. I never eat duck, But I come to Taiwan and eat duck. But me always curious how duck meat look like when before you cook or so forth, or when you cut it up and things. So, to end my curiosity, I buy a duck today. Duck. Yeah, we're calling duck.
Wow, ducks.
Let's go inside the carcass. See what's inside.
Oh, Daddy, look at chicken there.
This is like the gizzard, the heart, the liver, and stuff like those. They stuff inside the belly.
That looks like a chicken there.
Yeah, well, it's a duckling.
Yeah, I know.
The first time I tried duck, I'm amazed by it, because they have a popular food called ginger duck, Jangmuya. Boy, I might tell you, in the winter time, the nicest things me ever try in that winter time as Taiwanese food, So, I'm curious. So, I'm going my curiosity, you see me? Yeah, man, I cut up this duck at today, man. One thing, you see, if you ever eat duck before, comment and tell me how you cook it or different ways, you see me? Because the only way that I see it is like the ginger duck, when I see a Taiwan or Beijing duck, like some roast duck, when I tell you, say very sweet, but I don't really know people cook duck at Jamaica, because I never see duck at Jamaica. When people eat it, but I never see it in person until I come to Taiwan for myself. So, okay, I know how to cook this at Jamaica. I can try the way there or something, But I know, so based on the meat texture, it's definitely more harder than chicken. But I try to cut up it still and as best as possible and see what go on. One more thing, please subscribe to the channel. Leave a thumbs up, leave a comment if you can. Help the channel grow.
That's like a chicken.
Why duck meat? That's tougher than me thinking. Get the big knife and chop up your arm, man. Yeah, man, tougher than me think, but you hear me? Definitely I'll cook this,
Oh, that's
Mandarin, this called yarrow. Called dokaya, so they call it yarrow. Row means meat, you see me? So this is yarrow. So man, I cut up some yarrow, is it? Boy, I tell them, what you leave a yard and come a place, go try some different shit when you never try before. But that's the thing, you just expose to different culture and try different culture and learn different things, because life is, there's no limit, There's no limit to life, so you can just go and enjoy life and try all different kind of things where you can think of or where you're curious about or where you feel like you try, Yeah, me try pan-fried duck, but not to say pan-fried duck is nice, so you see if the duck, I'm going to try debone the breast. Because duck breast tastes nice, so I'm going to try cut this one and debone the breast as best as possible. I never do it before, but nothing done, so I'm going to try debone the breast. Yeah, I cut it right off a rib cage, And then the bone them this, them boy they can use cook soup too, Yeah, man, nothing now, it's nothing non-dasher. Everything I go in a pot. And you can just make me know down below still now what the most exotic food you never try, or is it or weirdest food you never try. Because say I have some definitely weird food out there where we're all curious about, but we never get the opportunity to try them or go there or something like that, is it? To be honest, kind of surprised about the meat still, because we never know say meat is more. It's not really easily cut like chicken. It's more of a thickness to it, It's more cut like beef, like you cut beef. It have a thickness to it, but it have as you can see, have a richer color than chicken. But it tastes good still. I like duck meat. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, first me hungry it, so. I said the main thing with this, I'm gonna use this make ginger duck soup. Yeah, man, if you're not curious about ginger duck, still you can Google it, ginger duck. Yeah, man, Jangmuya. Jang ginger. You see me, I've used a lot of ginger. They had like cabbage and all them vegetable and stuff inside. Very nice, man. Cooking wine and everything. You stir fry first, and then you cook it a soup, You get out them two breasts still. And think they look nice. Look at that. And we like this, they bone them now. Them bone. While you still fry the rest of the meat, them bone use them to boil the soup, Like I make the broth for the Jangmuya, the ginger duck. Why just curiosity cause all of this, Yeah, man, but curiosity not kill no cat over here, so yeah, man, the curiosity not kill no cat over here. So we just learn and explore different culture and different way of life, Nothing beats knowledge and understanding. So as we grow, we learn, And with what I want nowadays, we have to just open my mind and know say we'll learn something new. So this is how meat look like after me cut it up, you know. But I'm not gonna lie still. The meat above my expectations. I never expect the meat to look like this. So close that to my curiosity. And remember, subscribe to the channel, man. Leave a thumbs up, leave a like, you know. Don't know. Help grow the thing. Until next time, you know. Next video. And remember, comment down below and tell me if you ever had duck before or you cook like your kind of duck. Or if you never have it before and you're curious what it tastes like. You can just send your curiosity and go try it, you know? Don't be, you can try if you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, just not like it. That is totally fine. Alright, that's it for the video. Remember, subscribe. Until next time.